Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Mazda 3 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So to prep it, just apply Slip Solution to the lens and use a clean microfiber towel to remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So once you finish prepping the film, now we can start with the installation. So just apply Slip Solution to the headlight lens and Slip Solution to the tint film. Once you apply the solution, place the film to the headlight. And with this one, we need to make sure we align the film here to the right, to the edge here of the headlight. So roughly around there. And all we need to do now is lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. We'll make sure it's still aligned. And with this one, because it is a smaller area to work with, we need to make sure we secure this piece correctly, that we were able to work with the rest of the film here. So hold it in place and tack it down lightly, just so we could get the adhesive on the film activated. And we're just doing the light pass first. Once the film has been tacked down a little bit, now we can start applying a little bit more pressure. As you can see, now the film's tacking down perfectly fine. Just make sure everything is still aligned. So now that we tacked down this whole piece here, now we need to stretch the film so it could reach to this edge here. So to stretch the film, we need to apply Slip Solution behind the film and on the lens. Once you apply a Slip Solution with both hands, just stretch the film carefully until you reach to the edge, and it should be good. All we need to do now is hold it in position, apply Tack Solution underneath the film and on top, and we can use our squeegee to start tacking down the whole film. And the fingers that you see here and on the top, we could remove them by applying Tack Solution and a little bit of heat. So now apply Tack Solution around the area where the fingers are coming up, and then apply heat around the area. And then we're gonna use our microfiber towel, wrap it around our squeegee to help tack down the film. And at the same time, the microfiber towel will absorb the solution that's coming from behind the film. So apply heat. And you just rinse and repeat until you're able to remove all of the fingers on the top and the bottom section. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Now the last thing to do once you finish installing the film would be to post heat. And once you're done post heating, you're done with the installation. So the last step to do is just post heating. So to post heat, apply Tack Solution all over the lens. And we're just going to go with our heat gun and our microfiber towel all around the headlight to ensure that we help the adhesive activate faster and just remove any small fingers that are still coming across the film. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2022 Mazda 3. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.